Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Right, so the DJSE / welding man has been doing some welding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I've been up to. So bear with me. So this, boys and girls, is the front end. So as you can see, I'm going for the de-seamed look on the front end. So it's all welded across, it's very strong. I've put the brace bar in the top there as well, just to hold it. So now what I need to do is I need to grind some of that back and I need to fill it, smooth it all over so it looks really flush. So yeah, it's not the prettiest, but that's what a grinder and that's what filler's for. So that's that bit. Let me go and show you some more work. Right, so we're now at the actual shell, and this was one of the parts I was quite worried about, really. It was like down here, so I was a bit concerned, so I managed to sand it all back and there was nothing there. It was just this section here, so again, filled that with weld and ground it back. On that back edge it might just need a little bit more grinding back just to, let me see, yeah, just to get the window rubber to seat properly. So that's that section. Moving on to round here, again there was a hole there, it wasn't very big, ground it all back and filled it with weld. It just needs a skim now, it just needs another sand back and a skim and that will be done. And then this section over here, it's not the prettiest, but I put a piece in there, I've not ground any of that back yet, so that needs grinding back and just piecing in, and then as you can see there's just a bit more to fill there, and again I need to grind that back just to make sure it's all flush and looks good. So that's that one as well. I think that's it, so bear with me. So this is a section I've not managed to do yet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out, cut it all along there, probably quite far to be fair. It's just that top skin, maybe the middle one as well might need a bit of work. So yeah, I'll fabricate all that. Oh, I think you can buy the repair panel actually for that. So I'll probably end up buying a repair panel and piecing that in. But I don't think, but I will film that because I didn't do much filming of the other stuff. But yeah, so that just needs doing on the back end. And the shell should be rust free. I mean, I'm going to go through the whole shell just to make sure. So yeah, that is basically it. Massive thanks to my friend Colin, who came round and helped me out. He did some of the welding and he also was very patient with me, let me make mistakes, told me how to correct the mistakes and where I was going wrong and things. That was absolutely superb and I wouldn't have got it done without him, so massive shout out to you, buddy. So yeah, we're very close to hopefully starting to build this back up soon. I've also got to put some plates in. See if I can do this. Yeah, just behind here I need some 3mm plates, and then I've also, because of the flex on, there you go, on that, I'm also going to put something across from there to there. But hopefully that's going to be quite a little special piece that I don't think anybody's done yet. And again, hopefully you'll like that. So that is where I am up to. So I'll put some clips at the end of this showing me welding a bit. I didn't manage to film much because sometimes you just want to get on with it. YouTube's a laugh and everything like that. You know, we don't make any money off of it. All I do it for is a bit of fun and to document what I'm doing. So sometimes it's just easier to just crack on and do what you're doing, and sometimes I forget to film as well. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed that little update there. I know it's not been a big one, but like I said, I will set the camera up and everything and film me doing that back end so you can see that I actually can weld. So yeah, I'm still wearing my L plates, because I'm still learning. But yeah, one thing that I will say is though, good comment from my friend who's used to welding things like skips and everything like that. So he's used to welding metal from that thickness to like that thickness. He mentioned that panel work is like welding tissue paper. And he's right, because it just blows. You know, we've got the settings on the welder. I'm really happy with that. I'm really comfortable with wire speed and everything like that. So I think that was another good thing to get out of it. Also guys, I'm literally editing this video right now. Look, editing the video, and I've realised, I've not told you, I'm going to Himley Hall, and I will be in a Mini. I'll be driving a Mini to Himley Hall. No, it's not mine, because it's nowhere near bloody ready, and you know that. It is Alex Toon's Blue Sprite, which should pop up here. See that editing there? See that? I can do it, I just choose not to. So yeah, I'll be there. Please, 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 listen, go to these shows to have a laugh and a joke and bullshit about minis and bullshit about everything else. So please, please, please come up and have a chat with me. If you see me, just stop me and we can have a bullshit. That's what it's all about.